I know for a fact that you're tired of searching the internet for the best ways to make money online. Every day, thousands of internet gurus tell you to try affiliate marketing or drop shipping, and they're all full of shit. Those things don't work in 2026, especially not in the new era of AI. In my AI venture studio, Martell Ventures, I've created dozens of companies that now generate millions, and I can tell you, there's only a few real ways to make money online. To make it simple, we're breaking everything into 4 buckets. Trash, the stuff you should run away from. Easy, businesses you can launch in under 3 months, earning 5 to 10K a month. Medium, skills that can be profitable within a year, making 10 to 50K a month. And hard.
So in this video, we're going to dive into the easy, and we're going to find out, are they as easy as he says they are? And by the way, if you're new here and maybe haven't watched my content or know who I am, my name is Tarek Johnson. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called Franchise Empire. And for years, I had 9 failed businesses over the span of 8 years. And since then, I've built multiple 7-figure businesses. Some of them I've sold. And obviously today I'm the CEO of Franchise Empire. So let's dive in. Let's see what businesses that Dan has to say. And are they as easy as he says they are?
Bucket number 2, easy bucket. The income potential, 5 to 10K a month, no problem. The difficulty, low, simple skills, fast turnaround. Time frame, 30 to 60 days to actually get paid. And it's best for beginners trying to gain some momentum and build some skills. You don't need a degree for these.
All right.
These just need basic execution and learning how to talk to customers. Just get your first dollar online, build some confidence, and learn how clients work. Here's some examples. The first one, basic short form editing. If you haven't seen all the people that have like these clipping accounts and people like edit these short form videos all over social media, I mean, the demand is huge. Every person now seems to be a content creator, and AI makes it incredibly easy. So it's easy to get paid fast. Love this one. Next.
So here's what's interesting about this video is that really all of these businesses that he's about to show in the easy bucket are businesses that me as the CEO of Franchise Empire, a multi-million-dollar a year company, we do pay for now, and we would pay for. So definitely pay attention. And when he's talking about the short form video editing, we have multiple video editors on our team because we put out a tremendous amount of content. And yes, this is something that businesses know that they need to be producing content, and there's a lot of businesses that produce long-form content and they're not turning them into shorts, or they know they should be producing content. And this is a recurring revenue stream because they start making videos and content, putting it out on a consistent basis. So you're able to have job after job after job after job. And to his point, AI makes it a lot easier. It used to be very, very manual. So I would say this is a thumbs up. Basically, the thing that you need is to be able to go out and prospect and talk to businesses and be able to get them enrolled and sell them. And really for most of these businesses, like you can figure out the fulfillment side of it, especially with AI, pretty simple. The biggest part is you got to go out and get customers. And most of the time, that's what people are afraid of. Like I'm not a salesperson. But think about it. In business, and I want you to think about these businesses with this frame and this context, which is business is all about solving people's problems. This was one of the mistakes I made when I had my 9 failed businesses first starting out. For 8 years, I was focused on how can I make as much money as I can, as opposed to how can I solve a problem and how can I get really good at solving that problem. So if you think about it like that, you're not going and trying to sell businesses. You're just trying to help them solve their problem. And they want their problem solved. So it's just a matter of figuring out how to have that conversation. Let's move on to the next business.
We got social media copywriting. Every business in the world needs to learn how to use words to get customers to buy, and they need somebody to help them. And the tools are getting so good. Just get the client, do the work, get paid. Next, we've got...
So true. Guys, right now, this is something that we pay for in the business. But like I said, we pay for the short form videos as well. We have a full-time social media brand manager in our business that does our copywriting now. But before that, for the first 4 years of this business, I hired a contractor. And for a while, I paid him $500 a month. And then at some point, it went up to $1,500 a month. He had a bunch of other clients. So if you have 10 clients that are paying you $1,500 a month for copywriting, then guess what? You have a $15,000 a month business. Obviously, you have to be producing results and be good enough to be able to warrant that. But he was writing emails for us that those emails would convert into appointments or into sales. So it was worth it. The investment was worth it for us. So this is definitely a business that can produce. And the bigger businesses that you work with and the more value you're able to add in terms of the revenue that your copywriting is producing or the following that it's producing, the more you're going to get paid. So this is definitely something to get good at. And you can really use AI to help you with the copywriting now. Definitely want to put your own touch on it because you don't want it to sound like AI, but you get really good at copywriting, you will never go hungry a day in your life.
The AI chatbot setup for small businesses. I love this one because every small business needs more time back. And if you can be the person that comes in and help them set this up, they will pay you money because it's easy for them to redeploy their time to make more money than what they paid you. Use this one. Next.
100%, guys. Same deal here. We are in the process of having one of these built out. Our team is doing it internally. We're at the point now where we have 12 full-time employees, and we tend to use our employees to build some of these things, but this is spot on. And businesses need this. They want to get their time back. They want to be able to capture people and converse with people on their website that are coming on at night or on the weekends when someone can't be there to answer them manually. This is another one that's spot on.
Next, we've got the AI receptionist along those same lines. It's crazy today when you can use tools like youratlas.com that you can get paid to set up for small businesses to take all the inbound calls, to qualify, sell, fill up schedules, answer questions, and it'll do it without being upset, complain, take time off, or call in sick. Helping businesses do this is a great way to make money.
Guys, think about it. It's an easy sell too because you're going to save the business so much money. What are they going to pay their receptionists or people that are answering the phones? $20, $25, $30, $40, $50,000 a year. Those people call out sick. This is another opportunity to solve a problem for a business. Huge opportunity.
Next, we've got UGC content. Brands want to pay for real people showing their products, not professional models. Helping a brand connect with a creator, and you're the middleman, and you get a piece of this. My buddy in Dubai, this is his whole business, and they're already doing $100K a month. So you can make 5 to 10 starting with this one.
Yeah, I mean, fair point. To get connected with the influencers, I feel like this one is a little bit harder to be able to get the attention of the influencers. It's really a volume game at that point. We ignore pretty much most of the emails we get of people trying to say, hey, can you sponsor, talk about our stuff? Just because we like to sponsor and talk about our own stuff, not other people's stuff. But definitely an opportunity for sure.
And last, the virtual or executive assistant. It's one of my favorite categories because I wrote a book called Buy Back Your Time. See,
It's a really good book. I read that book and really powerful if you are an entrepreneur. Or even like a leader or executive, but for entrepreneurs, business owners, it's a really, really good book.
People hate wasting time and they'll pay you to get it back. The best part is you get paid to hang out with smart people that can teach you about life to help them get shit done. No brainer.
Yeah, you could be the virtual or executive assistant. I think really what he's talking about is being the placement agency, which is, having a pool of talent and helping be the matchmaker. As a virtual assistant. There's really two ways to go about this too. Nowadays, a lot of businesses are working with virtual assistants that are overseas because they're more affordable. And it could be like fractional, meaning it's just part-time, or it can be full-time. And basically you're training and recruiting those people overseas, and you are charging more than what you're paying the virtual assistant. So the business is, let's say, paying you $3,000 a month, and maybe you're paying that virtual assistant $1,000 a month, and you're making the spread on the margin in between. Now, you may not care about if the business is easy, medium, hard, or whatever it is, but you may want to know, hey, what are businesses that I can make a lot of money, that can produce millions of dollars of revenue because you know that other people have done it. In this video, the 4 businesses that will make a load of money in 2026, check that out because we cover those exact businesses that I think you'll find very interesting. So click this video below. You'll be able to watch it, and we'll see you over there.